In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly manage and organize your business receipts using the receipts feature of our software. This process will not only help you keep your financial records accurate, but also streamline your bookkeeping tasks, making them much less daunting. So, let's dive in and get started. We'll begin with the task of uploading your receipts. Head over to the Receipts tab on your dashboard. This section is invaluable as it serves as your gateway to organizing all your documentation neatly in one place. Here, you'll find the option to upload a receipt. It's critical that your receipts are clear and legible, so it's a good idea to take a photo or scan them using a device with a reasonably good resolution. Digital versions of paper receipts are what we need, so clarity is key. Once your files are ready, simply click the Upload button and select the receipt file from your device. Confirm your choice when prompted, and let the system work its magic as it processes your upload. Remember, if you have a backlog of receipts to manage, you can upload multiple files at once, which makes the task even more convenient. With our receipts now uploaded, let's move on to the next crucial step: matching these receipts to transactions and categorizing them appropriately. This step is vital for maintaining transparent and effective accounting practices. Once your uploads are complete, you may notice the system automatically suggesting possible matches for transactions based on the details extracted from your receipts. However, if it doesn't, or if you've uploaded manually, you'll need to match the receipts yourself. Do this by comparing details such as the date, amount, and vendor information. When you found the correct transaction, simply click to confirm it. Now let's talk about the importance of categorizing each transaction. Proper categorization plays a significant role in ensuring accurate financial reporting and analysis. This means assigning each transaction to a specific category that accurately reflects its purpose, be it office supplies, travel expenses, or any other relevant category. Some software might autofill categories based on past data, which is a helpful feature, but it's always wise to double-check everything for accuracy. Consistent categorization not only leads to more precise reports, but also aids in understanding your spending patterns, which is immensely beneficial for budgeting and forecasting. By diligently following these steps, you've now successfully organized and managed your receipts in the system. Regular maintenance of this routine will keep your finances neat and orderly, sparing you from unnecessary headaches during tax season or an audit. And there we have it. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this guide has simplified your receipt management process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on efficient bookkeeping practices. Until next time, keep everything in order and stress-free.